Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a completely free website using Google Sites, step by step, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own live website that you can share with anyone. No coding, no hosting, and no money required. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to sites.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you don't have one, just click Create Account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Google Sites dashboard. Here, you can see all your previous sites or create a new one. Click on the blank template. That's the first option with a big plus sign. This opens up the Google Sites editor, and this is where you'll design your website. Let's go step by step. Give your website a name. At the top left, you'll see Untitled Site. Click there and type your website name. For example, my portfolio, my business. Below that, you'll see a header section that says your page title. Click and edit it. This will appear as the first thing people see when they visit your site. You can write something like best digital services for you. You can also change the header image. Just hover over the background, click change image, and choose from Google's library or upload your own photo or logo. Google Sites will automatically adjust the image for visibility. Add content to your home page. Now, on the right hand side, you'll see a panel with options, Insert, Pages, and Themes. Make sure you're on the Insert tab. From here, you can add text boxes, images, buttons, or even embed YouTube videos. Click text box and you'll see a new section appear. Write a short introduction, something like, "Hi, I'm Taslimul Hasan, a web designer and developer. I create modern websites for small businesses." Next, click Images and upload a photo that represents your work or brand. You can also click Button to create a link, for example, "Contact me" or "See my work." When someone clicks the button, it can take them to another page or your email. You can easily drag and drop these sections anywhere on the page to organize your layout. Create multiple pages. Let's say you want to add more pages like about, services, or contact. Go to the right panel and click on the Pages tab. Click the plus icon at the bottom, then select New Page. Give your page a name, for example, About Me. Click Done, and Google Sites will automatically add it to your website's navigation bar at the top. Now click on the new page, and just like before, you can add text boxes, images, and sections. For example, on the About page, you might write, "I'm a freelance web developer helping brands create stunning websites." Repeat the same process to add a services page, portfolio, or contact page. Customize the design. Now click on the Themes tab. You'll see a few clean, simple design themes you can apply instantly. Try selecting one. For example, Impression or Simple. You can then customize the font style and color scheme to match your brand. You can also change the layout of sections. Scroll down on the Insert tab and you'll see content blocks. Choose one with text and image side by side or with multiple columns. This makes your site look more professional and well organized. Add contact or map section. If you want people to reach you, scroll down and click embed, then paste your Google form or contact form link, or even easier, go to Insert Map, search your business name or address, and it'll automatically insert a live map. You can resize and move it anywhere on the page. Add footer scroll to the very bottom of your site. You'll see a footer section. Click and edit it to add your business name, copyright info, or social links. For example, copyright 2025 Taslimul Hasan, all rights reserved. You can also insert icons or text links for Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. If everything looks good, click Publish at the top right corner, type your preferred name, and click Publish again. And that's it. Your website is now live and public on the internet. Share your website, click the drop-down arrow next to Publish, and choose View Published Site. You can copy the link and share it with your friends, clients, or on social media. You can also manage who can edit or view your site by clicking the Share with Others icon, just like Google Docs. And congratulations, you just created your first website for free using Google Sites. It's a perfect way to start your online presence, portfolio, or business site without spending any money. Now, if you want to learn how to create your own Shopify store for just $1 per month, click on the left video. Or if you want to learn how to create a free website using WordPress, click on the right video. Thanks for watching, And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.